Installation and operating tutorial for semi-automatic sticker round bottle labeling machine. Installation of labels. Take out the whole set of trays. Use one side tray as a benchmark. Loosen the other side tray label. Load the other side of the tray. Clamp with hand pressure tray. After locking, use a little force to pull the label. Return the tray to the fixed position. Painting label according to label. Bypass the roller 1. Bypass roller 2. Bypass roller 3. Notice that the label passes through the middle of the electric eye. Bypass roller 4. Bypass roller 5. Bypass from the inside of the beacon plate. Passing through the middle of the traction. Left and right synchronous locking traction. Clamping label. Amplifier settings. Look at the red value. How much is it without product? How much is it when putting the product sensor? Then press plus or minus. Set the value to have product and no product. The middle value of the two values is enough. Calibration of marking eye. Move the side marker eye to the space between the two labels, and the yellow light is on. Press the plus or minus symbol at the same time for 1 second. After the red light flashes, move the electric eye to the label. After the red light stops flashing, move the electric eye to the blank space between the two tabs. Enter the manual screen and click the moving label. See if the label is the required stripping plate 1 to 2 mm. If not, adjust the high and low positions of the electric eye to adjust. Adjustment of product size and position. Put the product between the glued shaft and the sponge shaft. Label distance product 1 to 2 mm. If the distance is too low or too high, then move the outer rubber-coated shaft. Adjustment of labeling position. Adjust the upper and lower positions of the label by adjusting the electric eye pole. Top adjustment. Enter the hand animation surface point top cylinder action. By adjusting the top fixing rod, make the pusher press the product. Adjust the left and right fixing wheels at the top to align the top center with the product center. After debugging, enter the execution production screen. Confirm the labeling mode. Single label, double label. Positioning single label or positioning double label. Select the starting method, pedal or side object. Finally, labeling production can be carried out.